Okay, let's start up the Jeep and then I'll rake some snow off it and then push some snow around, maybe. Think she'll crank? Maybe? Never know. Be nice if it'd crank without me having to lift the hood and pour gas in the carburetor, wouldn't it? What do you know? Maybe it will. Come on, baby. Dang. Alright. I'll rake some snow off the hood, get it up, get some gas in the carburetor. Oh, the joy. Not too very uncomfortable out here today. We actually don't have enough snow to have to plow, but I just think it'd be a little nicer if I did. Besides, what happens if you don't plow is after it sits and refreezes, you know, maybe halfway melts, halfway refreezes and all that, then it's much more trouble than it would be otherwise. So sometimes it's just a good idea to plow it. And it's not a bad day to be out. Guess I'll go to the store and get some gas. Oh, the joy. One of the things that I found to be true here and down in Georgia on all of my mowers and boat motors and things is that this new ethanol gas will foul out the plugs. I cleaned these. It kind of acted like it was going to crank for about a second, then it didn't. So I'm going to ride over to the parts store and get me some new plugs for that. Bring it back and see if that'll do the trick. I think it was Tyler. I don't think that's his whole name. Might be something like Who Said Tyler or something. But Tyler made a comment about my continuing saga to get the Jeep to run. And it is. I mean, I've been... I've probably got more videos out here trying to get this Jeep to run than anything else. And it's really annoying. You know, new timing chain, new carburetor, new fuel pump. It's not gas, because when I put gas and starter fluid in the carb, it doesn't seem to affect it. And I'm really believing it just comes back to fire, and I believe it's coming back to these plugs. So I'm gonna go get some. Oh, the joy. That's all I got to say about that. Oh, the joy.